Okay, I did it. I shorted Tesla. So the reason I shorted Tesla, I wanted to explain this. I found a triple bar, and it was right here. There you got the bar, a baby bar, a little baby, whatever. And then the third green bar. If you want to know how to play a triple bar, here, Charlie on Zip Trader, 3-bar play. He'll explain it to you. I'll link it down below. Here's the chart at the time that I was getting in. I got in at 33.70. So I waited a little bit for confirmation, probably a little bit too long, but you can see it got confirmation all the way up until the last bar where I took this screenshot. And I took that screenshot out of this 65-minute algorithm right here. It was a 5-minute chart. If we look at the 5-minute chart on TSLQ, you can see even in after hours, this one is running. It closed at 35.22. Its ask is at 35.21. Most likely it is going to be up. Tesla continues to fall in the after hours. So here is the 65-minute play. You can see the 65-minute algorithm in TrendSpider gets you in at 33.09. This was back on June 23rd. I should have listened to it. Absolutely should have listened to it. You're up here at 35.22 right now. It was up 6% today. The RSI is a little bit extended at 70, but I am holding on to this one. And the reason I'm holding on is because this 65-minute algo play still has performance left in it. Now, this algorithm, so do you want to know why I'm so bullish on it? It makes you 37% over 8 months in Tesla, TSLQ. If you were to just hold TSLQ, and 8 months ago would have bought it and held it, you'd lose 33%. Tesla has flown in this time. So you're doing yourself a favor by getting in and out based on this algorithm. It gets you in 79 times. It wins 35% of the time. Your average win is 4%. So far today, I'm up somewhere in the neighborhood of 6%. If we go back here and we look at some of the volume shelves of TSLQ, if we were to pull it back to here, people just don't hold on to this thing. So you can see the volume shelves clearly forming down here. There's one between 34 and 35. I think 35 is support. I will wait for it. My guess is that I can pull this out with a 7-8% gain and still be safe. That's the key, is safe. So if you have any questions, these are the 1-minute things that I'm doing on my buys every day, why I bought in. Tesla has just run too much. Here we go. Let's look at Tesla. Look at this. This is the 65-minute algorithm, but I will put you on the 4-hour algorithm, which is my proprietary algorithm, in TrendSpider. You can see back here, May 1st, we got a buy-in here at 163. Look at the button hook. I talk about the button hook all the time. If you don't know what the button hook is, tune into my podcast every day or sign up for my newsletter. But that button hook with the 9-day and the 21 coming down, you're almost coming to this gap at 235. And after hours, you're trading down to 241. You're going to cover that gap to 235. You've covered this gap up here, which was 259 to 264. You've covered that. Now you got to come back down for some support, probably around the 200 level area. I think when you get down to the 230s, 239 or so, I think you can start nibbling. But you can see that MACD is crossing down and that RSI is down. Tesla right now, I wouldn't touch it. I'm shorting it. I know a lot of people have lost money shorting it. It is not a long-term play to short it. It is a short-term play. And when it comes back and we start getting confirmation on Tesla, I will buy long on Tesla. So again, the newsletter link down below, the podcast link down below. This is the kind of stuff that I go over every day. This is just today's buy. Thanks.